A packaging project moves through more than one machine. At Oulete, molding, automated handling, assembly, and line-side checks are coordinated inside the factory. Keeping these steps connected helps the approved sample carry into repeat production with clearer process control. See the factory and capabilities through the link in this post. Custom packaging starts with the tooling. Mold components are positioned, machined, and checked before production trials. Careful tooling control supports more consistent dimensions, component fit, and repeatability in later runs. Explore Oulete customization services through the link in this post. A production run starts with equipment setup and approved references. Operators watch the first output, keep batches separated, and review components before the next stage. These checks help connect the machine setting to the project requirement. Cosmetic tube production begins with a continuous tube body. Stable forming, controlled feed, and consistent handling help prepare each tube for cutting, decoration, and assembly. The finished profile must match the approved specification before it moves forward. Every cosmetic tube begins with controlled extrusion. The tube body is formed, cut to length, and checked before decoration. In our factory, tube production and finishing are coordinated under one roof. This helps buyers move from an approved sample to repeat production with clearer process control. Explore our cosmetic tube range through the link in this post. Hot foil stamping adds a metallic accent after the tube body has been formed and checked. The fixture, foil position, and pressure must stay controlled so the finished mark aligns with the approved sample. See Oulete Cosmetic Tube options through the link in this post. After molding, components must move through handling, transfer, and collection without losing lot control. Organized part flow reduces mix-ups and keeps each production stage connected to the approved specification. Assembly brings separate packaging components together in a controlled sequence. Fixtures hold each part in position while the line repeats the required steps. Consistent feeding and line-side checks help protect fit and function across the batch. A reliable packaging project depends on more than one machine. Clean production areas, organized material storage, line-side handling, and trained operators all support repeat production. This factory view shows how those pieces connect inside the operation.